I'm Angelina with AsReader, and this is our gun type. Today I want to give you a demonstration with our AsTagFinder. You can use either Android or Apple phone. There is an AsLock that's magnetic on the back that you just connect. I'm going to use the Apple phone for this demonstration, and you just insert it at a 45-degree angle and lock it into place and start reading. For example, we have a whole bunch of tags on this desk right here, which would be representative of boxes on your shelves, and you have lost the identity of what is in those boxes, so we would look to identify a tag. And to get that tag information, we would just touch that and stop the beeping with a double tap. And there you have your tag ID.